Yes, summer break. Hey.
I'm gonna miss you, Miss Johnson. Aw, I'm gonna miss you too.
What about me?
Mr. Adams, let's just say I'm glad that you passed, so I don't have to deal with you ever again.
Yeah, same. Later.
Whew, thank goodness he's gone. I don't think I was gonna make it. Hey everyone, welcome to my class. I'll be taking attendance, so say here when I call your name. Mark Adams?
Here.
Wait a minute. Mr. Adams, you're an only child, right?
No, my older brother actually had this class last year. But don't worry, we're not the same.
Whew, thank goodness.
I'm way worse.
Oh, great heavens!